Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Pega trainer at Harsha Trainings. I hope all of you are doing good. And this video is about the Pega PRPC new batch which has started yesterday onwards. So yesterday I have given you idea and overview about what is Pega and what is its use, and also the eligibility to learn Pega with respect to education background and with respect to the technical background. And today we have looked at understanding the different terms like Pega, Pega BPM and Pega PRPC. So we have got a clear idea about, after today's session, everyone of us have got a clear idea about what is Pega and what is BPM and why Pega is called as BPM tool. Also, you got a clear idea about Pega PRPC. And we discussed about the architectural components of BPM as well as the architectural components of Pega PRPC. And tomorrow will be day 3 session. Those who have attended today's session, online students continue to use the same meeting link, and classroom students can come down to the same location. Okay, online or offline, please try to attend or join the session 5 minutes before, minimum 5 minutes before itself. Please be available to the session. That is very, very important for a student. Okay, and I will be opening the meeting 10 to 15 minutes before itself, and will be waiting for all of you. And moreover, any one of you have inquired today, or maybe for some reason you are not able to attend yesterday and today's session, but still if you want to join this batch, you can start attending from tomorrow onwards. There is no issue. And we have shared the class notes, theory document, PPT, and also the recorded video, and that has been shared to all of you. If any one of you have not received, please request for the same on our admin number 9652532753. So looking forward to meet you tomorrow the same time. Okay, please make sure you are not going to miss the sessions for any reason. The initial sessions are very, very important to keep you on track. Okay, kindly make sure you are not going to miss the sessions for any reasons. Okay, so please, let's meet tomorrow and discuss further. As a continuation of today's session will be discussed tomorrow, and after tomorrow, first half an hour session is completed. I will also tell you about some of the queries that you have. I will sort out, and I will give clarification on those questions and all. Okay, so please don't miss the sessions. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.